Welcome back to Second Chance Garage. This is Wyatt. Here's my 65 C10. We're going to see if it starts and see if we can't get it outside for a quick wash. Here's attempt number 1. Alright, so we got some power. Alright, let's get a jump box on it and try that again. Alright, we got the jump box hooked up, so attempt number 2. Maybe? Well, let's go spray some starting fluid in it now. All right, attempt number 3. Got starting fluid and the jump box. See how that works. Sounds like we got air conditioning. Oh, signs of life. Might need some more. 1 second, guys. Alright, we got some gas in it. Let's see if it'll actually crank up this time. That'd be kidding me. Alright, guys, this is attempt number whatever at this point. Try it again. Be kidding me. Hold on, let me spray some more starting fluid in it. Alright, starting fluid is in. Battery charger on. Let's see what happens. Okay. We got some live here, hell yeah. Let's see if we can stay running. Okay, doesn't like that. Alright. Let's see what the problem is. Alright, we finally got it running. As it dies. Let's try that again. Interesting. So the problem we're getting is it doesn't seem to be getting enough gas up into the, I guess, carb for initial start. But if I pour a little bit of gas in it, it's fine. However, it doesn't seem to like to just crank right up either. Let's try it one more time. Yep, it's just not getting enough, just not getting enough fuel up to the carb. Let me pour a little bit more in. All right, well, I figured it might just be easier if I just set you guys up and so you can see how long this actually does take. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna hold it down with some gas. See how that works. Awfully smoky back there. Alright, see if it'll go in gear. I think that's all the way up. Okay. It'll stay running by itself. Let me... okay. It'll keep running. Alright, let me take it off the charger here real quick. Alright, it should back out. Keyword there, should. Let me actually end up moving you guys. 1 sec. All right, let's see if it'll actually go in gear and back out. I think that's reverse. I've never really driven a 3 on the tree. That feels like a gear. Holy shit, guys, it's moving. I forgot I don't have any mirrors. I'd say that's pretty dang good. We'll move this other truck and we'll Might be able to actually get this thing all the way out. I don't know where the parking brake is. Let me figure that out real quick. I think this is it. Should be. I'd hate for it to roll back into any other vehicles. All right, sweet. Well, we know it moves. Hey guys, all right, as you can see, we got the truck backed out under its own power, nonetheless. Take a little walk around. Probably the first time it's been in the sun for quite a while. It's actually blue. Yeah, you can see a slight difference on the hood. That's the only part I've cleaned so far. But today we're going to tackle the rest of the truck. Hopefully get that chalky look off of it. Kind of do a little before walk around. There's the bedwood. Yeah, we may even take this thing for a quick little drive down the road. Stay tuned for that, but let's get after it. Real quick before we switch over to the other side, just a quick comparison here. Not sure how well you can tell with it being in the shade, but really just got all that grime off. I'll clean up the wheels a little bit as well, but it's looking much better. To the other side. Okay guys, so now we've kind of got the whole exterior washed up. Nothing too fancy, just some soap and water. Quick little shot of the entire thing. Looks much better than it did. See, it looks more like a blue now. Used to be a little bit chalky. I did do the top. Not sure how well you can see this. I cleaned up the glass a little bit as well. But next we're going to pull it back into the garage here, and I can work on that that boiled linseed oil I was talking about. So we're going to do that here shortly, but that may have to be another video. This is taking me all day to do. But I'll do a couple of things off camera, like maybe the wheels, maybe brush up the tires a little bit. But as far as that, let's get this thing pulled back in and we'll call it a day. Okay, now that we've got this thing mostly cleaned up, it is about to rain in the forecast. Probably said it's going to rain in the next 30 minutes to an hour, and I'd rather not get this thing wet, especially not that brand new wood. So let's hopefully see if it'll start in the first crank. A little bit of gas. It wants to. One more. Ooh, it's trying. All right, let's give it some milk. All right, so I poured a little bit of gas into the carb. Let's see if that helps it out a little bit. There we go. A little rough, but we got it going. All right, let's get this thing in here. All right, first gear. Got a long clutch on this. Oops. Try it again. I don't want to stay running. Could also be almost out of gas. That could be a problem. I think we're in. Hey guys, Wyatt with Second Chance Garage again. I realized I forgot to do, I guess, a segue to the next video. So what I'll be doing next time is I'll be putting the boiled linseed oil onto the truck, make it look a lot nicer, like similar to a clear coat. So we'll do that next time, but we'll see you then.